Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a childhood fave. It is called Bun Suga, where I'm from, but it's actually Bun Suga Tilapia. So I hope you guys really enjoy this one and try this recipe. So these are the list of our ingredients that we will be using. That's my tilapia, and these are the rest of the ingredients, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. Okay, so here I have my flour with some black pepper, parsley, and I'm going to mix that in with a little bit of salt. Mix everything well. Then I'll flour the tilapia and set that aside. Here I have some oil. I just drop a habanero pepper, and I'm going to fry these guys until they're really nice and golden brown. Absolutely amazing, and I'll set that aside. Alright, so here I add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I just added some diced onions and celery, and I'll saute this together with some green bell peppers and some habanero peppers, some green onions, and continue to stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. I also did add some Old Bay seasoning and some Creole seasoning, and we're going to mix that together. Then we're going to remove that and set aside. Now for us to burn our sugar, the same oil I used to fry the fish, I placed about 3 tablespoons here, and we will burn this, or allow this to caramelize, I should say. Not too dark. I'll let you see how dark I allow this to get, just like that. Then I re-added the onions and the peppers and the celery here. Allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. So if you allow this to get really dark, the sugar will be bitter. So you can allow the sugar to burn for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat, guys. Alright, so after about 3 minutes, I went ahead and I added my coconut milk. And there I just added 2 cups of coconut milk. Then I go in with 1 cup of water. And we're going to give that a good stir. I added some star anise, some ginger powder, and there I'm adding some cinnamon sticks. Now this is kind of similar to pepper pot without the coconut milk. So there I use eddoes. Some places call it coco. Alright, you can also use potatoes, not sweet potatoes, the regular potatoes. Then I go in with some chicken bouillon. In here, guys, you can adjust your seasoning to your taste and likeness, okay? You can add a little, add a less, that's up, add less, that's up to you. Green onions and some habanero peppers. So when the eddoes or the cocoa is nice and soft and tender, so right there I'm checking the gravy to see the thickness. I love it. And I was mentioning when it is nice and soft, then it is done. So this needed to cook for about 2 more minutes. And then I'll go in with my fried tilapia. Let this simmer for an extra 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, this smells amazing, guys. This was my absolute favorite. Well, my second best besides curry, which is I love it. Alright, so I do hope you guys try this. If you guys are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.